Hi, welcome to our channel. So, guys, this is discuss about the very important name is called how to using for SEO 301 and 302 redirection. Then, mean by in your particular website or any kind of maintenance or any kind of bugs, any kind of issues, we can option name is called using cpanel. That option name is called redirect. Redirect nothing but we can traffic divert to the other website. For example, here is my website. But what will happen? Anyone searching this domain, psychichostel.com, they go to my blog website, digitalrakesh.blogspot.com. How we can go? Just copy this URL. There's nothing work out. The option name is redirect. There is called two kind of redirections. That is called 301, move on permanent, 302, move on temporary. Just only for few days purpose, we can divert traffic for other websites. So right now, if anyone selecting for temporary, select your domain. We can read it from your particular blog option. They will asking for question. You will be read it with a double dot, without double dot, with or without double dot. There's option will be given here option. Select always read it with or without double dot. When you click. So I'm selecting this URL, selecting for incognito window. When I'm searching this URL, please careful watch. They can read it for my blog address. See, I'm entering my primary domain, but they read it from the blog address. Why? We can using this option name is called redirect. There is only for temporary redirection. Maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months, maybe 3 months, maybe 1 week, maybe 1 day. If it's not required, you can click for delete. Edit is not possible. Once you click the temporary option, if you go for permanent purpose, there is not, edit option is not available. You can delete and do this once again. So close this. I can open incognito window, search it. Same website will be open. They not redirect from the other website option. So this is nothing but redirect. That is nothing but 301 is a permanent redirection. 302 is a temporary redirection on your particular website using cpanel. Where this option will be, go to domain. That option name is redirect. The option name is select. We can transfer your particular main domain, subdomain, everything here. Your main domain is selected. Subpage is identifier here. Redirect to the particular other pages. In the same website, we can open for ABC is your page. When you click for ABC page, they go to the CYZ page. We can using for is ABC is a CYZ page to the redirect. Within the website also, we can redirect from the one page to another page. That option we can use option name is called redirect option. If any question about the redirect, please ask me to my channel. How to use the cpanel in the redirection option. How we can add the extension pages. So any pages are facing problem, the page is removed and unfortunately that redirect to other pages, other web pages. This all will be using for 301 and 302 redirection. So if you have any question, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.